army for the armed forces boxers, okay, who have been here attached to 2STC since the last 11 months. Now I will say 11 and a half months. Okay. IOA has clearly documented and provided to everybody to all the states that 6 months residence is sufficient to permit an athlete to participate for a particular state. That many of the Goan teams, okay, have outsiders participating in their association for the national games. Okay, why are the rest of the associations doing it? Not to get outside players, but to get medals for Goa, because there are no Goan participants. Let me tell you, there were 5 weights empty when we did the selection. We did not have any boxers. So what do? We have done a right job, and if we have done something wrong, I apologize to the public.